Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE Main examination. This question came on 31st August 2021 in shift 2. So let us see this question first. Question says, for a body executing SHM, which is simple harmonic motion, and I'll be taking an example of it. I'll be taking a spring and a mass system, and this will gonna execute simple harmonic motion. It will go to its extreme position, let this be its mean position, and again it will come back. So it will gonna oscillate just like this. So it will keep on oscillating just like this with its maximum amplitude over here. Okay, at its extreme position, its potential energy is maximum and the kinetic energy is 0. Okay, at its mean position, while coming back or while going in this direction, its potential energy is 0 and kinetic energy is maximum. Okay, and while moving from this end to this end, its kinetic energy will be converted into potential, and potential must be while coming back, the potential will be converted into kinetic, and vice versa. Okay, so now we'll be studying the 4 options that we have got. The potential energy is always equal to its kinetic energy. So this statement is always wrong. It cannot be equal to potential. Okay, so potential is converted into kinetic and kinetic is converted into potential. The average potential and the kinetic energy over any given time interval are always equal. This is also not true. Okay, since it is continuously moving and its potential is converted into kinetic, kinetic is converted into potential. If we will find out the average value, and you want average value for entire one circle must be equal to the potential, but for one time period that must be equal to, but for any given time interval it won't be. Okay, so the potential and kinetic, average potential and kinetic won't be equal for any time period. Okay, for any time interval. Okay, and the sum of the kinetic and the potential energies, this statement is also not true. The sum of the potential and the kinetic energy at a given point of time is constant. This statement is true because sum of the potential plus kinetic is always constant. Suppose total potential energy is 100 joule. Here at its extreme position, total energy, so the total energy must be equal to kinetic plus potential, so which is 100 joule only, because the kinetic energy is 0. At this point also the entire potential energy has been converted into kinetic, so this kinetic energy would also be equivalent to 100 joule. So don't you think the total energy, which is potential plus kinetic at mean position, would also be equivalent to 100? Okay, so 100 joules. So that means total energy during the entire SHM must be equal. So that means the sum of the kinetic and the potential energy at any time is constant. Now the average kinetic energy in one time period is equal to the average potential energy in one time period. This is true. So while going and while coming back, the total energy is constant. Okay, that energy will be spent in the form of potential as well as a kinetic energy. Okay, while coming back, again going to this extreme end and again coming back. Okay, so the total average kinetic energy, average potential plus kinetic energy must be equal for throughout oscillation. Okay, this statement, this you should also remember. Okay, so the only option that you should that is correct is C and D. So your first option C and D would also be correct. Okay, again you can easily find out the average kinetic as well as potential energy using different relationship. We also know that if potential energy is given by P, so P dot dt, integral of dt would be the average potential energy during the any particular time interval. If time interval for one oscillation is capital T, if this is the time period, so the T would go from 0 to capital T, 0 to capital T, and P is also varying in nature. Again, if you want to find out the kinetic energy, so it would be equivalent to E dot dt, integral of dt, again for one time period, time goes from 0 to capital T. Okay, so the first option would be the correct option that you should get. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.